Introduce highlight features and quick overview of PVFLYMK Vacuum Cleaner Robot. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Robotic vacuum cleaner for pet hair suction up to 2000 PA, any corner of the home shredded paper, cat litter, or pet hair can be absorbed clean, will help you solve all problems. This robot mops for hardwood floor and medium carpets cleaning will a good choice. PVFLYMK Robot Vacuum Cleaner use the most advanced sensing technology, 360-degree automatic detection of dusty floor, and quickly respond to ensure the cleanliness of the home at all times. Automatic navigation function can make it quickly familiar with the home terrain, effectively avoid obstacles, even in the edge of the stairs work will not fall. It will be the best vacuum cleaner as new home gifts for your friends. Includes cleaning, dust collection, and mopping. At the same time, it has the function of preventing the floor from scratching and strong decontamination. Even working on the carpet doesn't leave any debris. There is no noise in the whole process, which will not disturb the rest time of you and your family. 3000 mAh large capacity battery, enough to work more than 120 minutes, can easily handle about 150 square meters of the housing area. Cleaning robots has a slim 2.36-inch body. It can freely shuttle under the sofa, bed, or any narrow space to clean. Realize the cleaning without blind area, ensure the room clean and tidy. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.